What is up, guys? Pro Gamer here, and my battery's pretty dang low right now. And today I am going to play Draw Writer. Take a break. Yeah, Draw Writer. We're going to play online maps made. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm playing Draw Writer.
Can you see the tape?
We're playing online. Other people. Playing top. GTA China. What? LEL. Success 0. What? My cousin's watching my Instagram right now.
Are you live?
Huh?
Are you live?
I don't know how to make live videos.
On Instagram?
No. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh my gosh! I don't know if you guys see this, but look. Look. My game just crashed. The game crashed, guys.
That's not good.
We crashed the game. That's what happened.
So how do you play?
I'm just gonna play online again. From the beginning. You guys are eating chips in my face?
Yeah. Ooh, see that one.
Which one? Oh gosh.
What?
You see that dude? The one that says KO
No.
on 68? That's my level.
Really?
I made a level 2.
And that dude, the one that says KO, he's John Cena.
John Cena breaks the wall and says, "Are you sure about that?"
Really?
Yeah. Isn't that normal?
Okay, let's go. Yes.
Ow! Don't high five me when I'm doing a video. And plus, your high fives hurt. Oh snap! You put a mine. Yeah! Under the seats. Under the seat. Look for stuff under the seat. Ah! No! It crashed again. It crashed again. I'm gonna crash it again. It crashed again, look. It keeps on crashing. And my battery's pretty dang low. You know what? What do you need help on, boy? Like on what?
Like on level that. You know that door? The door that turned around. That door.
Oh my god. You know how to control it. Just tell Hector how to do it too.
I forgot.
How can you forget? It's raining wax. Yeah. That's what I said. This might take a while. Okay, I'm back and I did magic. Don't ask me how long this took. It took about 5 minutes. And now we'll flood the whole place. We're gonna flood this place.
Dude,
¿Qué quieres?
help.
No, hombre.
We're stuck. Dude, help.
Why?
Me and Hector are stuck.
Meteor. Oh gosh.
Dude, help. We don't know what to do here.
Walk it down. Then just figure it out yourself. After the flood, this land has been burning down. Oh yeah. Now walk it down. Now walk it down. Oh dang it. Well, that looks awesome. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna. Oh yeah. Okay, read it real quick before it turns into fireworks. Woo! Oh man. Walk it down. Walk it down. Walk it down. Read it before it turns into fireworks.
Fireworks. I like fireworks.
I just made some.
Fireworks.
Look, in this game, you can make fireworks. I am not kidding. Look, you just need nitroglycerine, and then ignite it with fire. Fireworks! Look, look, look. Need all that green stuff, and then ignite it. Fireworks! It has been shot into the, oh my gosh, into the abyss. What? It's raining fireworks
Fire.
stuff? It's not really raining fire. It's raining stuff for fireworks. Fireworks! Awesome. It's raining and we have a rain gauge. It's in 200 droplets. Anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace. I'll put it to play. Peace out. Burn it to play. Burn, 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 burn. Peace out. The whole world turns into the world of fire. Peace out.